Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, I will guide you how to use SMS system. This video is about how to log in the SMS system, which is sponsorship management system, how to reset your password, how to request a new level 1 user or create a new level 2 user, how to amend or deactivate a level 1 or level 2 user. And in the last, I will show you how to view the SMS messages board level 1 user only. This is very important so you know that what messages the Home Office has sent to you and what you need to act on. So without wasting time, let's start. From the SMS login screen, enter the user ID assigned to you and the password either emailed to you or provided by your authorizing officer. Then select login. Once you logged in, from the license summary applications and services screen, select Manage Level 1 and 2 users. From the Manage Level 1 and Level 2 users screen, select either Request Level 1 user or Create Level 2 user. Now, what do we mean by requested? The request to add Level 1 user has been submitted to us for consideration. What we mean by active? The user is active. Refused? The refused to add a level 1 user has been refused by the Home Office. Deactivated by sponsor. That means the user has been deactivated by level 1 user. Deactivated by UKVI. That means we have, like Home Office has deactivated the user. Now from the request a new level 1 user or create a new level 2 user screen, enter the details of the new user. Then select add. Make sure the email address must belongs to an individual, not a shared mailbox, as the new user password will be sent to the address and must not be shared with anyone else. Also make sure the address required is the work address, not the person's home address. Once you have submitted the request for new level 1 user, then you will see this kind of page. If adding a level 1 user, your request is submitted. Once that is done, you will select OK. If you are creating a level 2 user, the new user account is created automatically. Please make sure you should note the new user ID and password it to proposed new user. Once you have done that, you can review a request to add level 1 user by referring to the Manage Level 1 and 2 users screen and checking the status field. In this field, you have the option Request Level 1 user, Create Level 2 user, or you can go back. Please make sure if the status is active, the request has been granted and the password will be sent by email to the new user. If the status is refused, the Home Office will write letter or email to the authorizing officer to advise them why they have refused the request. Now let's learn how to amend or deactivate level 1 user. So from the sponsorship management system screen, select license summary, application and services. You will see this page. Once you have select that, you will come to the screen where you will select manage level 1 user, level 2 user. From the level 1 and 2 user screen, select your own user ID or that of the level 2 user. Now from the user details screen, select amend user. Alternatively, you can also select to deactivate a user by selecting a deactivate user button. This is how your screen will look like. Once your deactivate user will only be available if you are not viewing your own details. So for example, if you are using, you cannot deactivate yourself. That's what it means. So amend user will only be available if you are amending your own details of or those of level 2 user. So you can amend yourself, but you cannot deactivate yourself. To amend, from the amend user profile screen, amend the details accordingly and then select save. If you are amending your own level 1 details, your request will either be sent to the Home Office to assess or granted automatically. If you are amending the details of level 2 user, the changes will be applied automatically. Please make sure the address required is the work address and not the personal home address. To amend the details, you have been saved and you will be returned to manage level 1 and 2 user screen. and this is how your screen will look like. And to deactivate from the user deactivation confirmation screen, select Deactivate User. Now the deactivation of the user is confirmed. Select OK to return to the Manage Level 1 and 2 user screen. Now from the Manage Level 1 and 2 user screen, you can see that your user has been deactivated. Once a user account has been deactivated, it cannot be reinstated. A new level 1 user request is required. Now let's learn how to manage SMS port system. For that, from the sponsorship management screen, select License Summary, Application and Services. You will see this page. Then from the License Summary Applications and Services screen, select SMS Service Message Board. From the SMS Message Board Activate Message screen, you can view current messages which Home Office has provided to you. If you wish to view or archive messages, select View Archive Messages. Alternatively, select OK to view the main menu. From the SMS Message Board Archive Messages screen, you can view all expired and archive messages. Select Back to return to the SMS Message Board Activate Messages screen.